Hi guys, this is Bushra from Bushra's Lifestyle. I'm gonna try to speak slow because when I speak really fast, I feel like missing words. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my channel, and this is the second video where we started our bathroom organization last week on Wednesday, and this is my older daughter trying to mess with me. And today's video is a continuation of bathroom organization slash Dollar Tree organization or dollar store organization. Today I'm gonna tackle the second drawer in the bathroom, master bathroom, where I'm gonna show you how to organize your makeup, or how do I organize my makeup. And I'm going to show you the products I use. Mostly I use Dollar Tree products, but you don't have to buy a product to make any product to make or organize your bath or organize anything else. If you have something lying around in the house, use them. That's the best tip. Second tip I'm gonna give you, which is going to change your life. Tackle one project at a time. Do not ever do that you started one and now you're moving to the second one. Almost 7 years ago I have done that, and I could not finish any project within the 3 months of time frame, where I learned that if you go one at a time, you're focusing on one, then you can move on really easy. So in our home, we moved last year, and I have already done our entryway closet, which I painted. It was a little longer project. And then I did our laundry room, and now it's our master bathroom. First I want to organize so everything is where it's supposed to be, so I can get rid of. While you organize, please declutter as well. Whatever you don't need it, make a big hurt, donate it, throw it, or sell it, whatever your choice is. Mine is mostly donation. Not that I don't like to sell it, I just feel like maybe it could help someone else now, the whatever I have. So let's get started. Someone said that I'm sick of YouTuber, that they don't show the real deal. Guys, I don't edit my videos, I show you how exactly they are. I don't really put my things halfway decent. If they are messy, I just show you, because the whole purpose is to help you, and if I'm not helping you or lacking the points or steps, then it's useless, right? So this second drawer I already organized like a few months ago, but I have 7 years and 10 years old girl, and they like to poke into my business all the time, all the makeup they wanted to do on earth. So again, subscribe to my channel. At the end I have a homework for you guys. Again, 15 minutes, only 15 to 20 minutes every night could change your life forever. So let's do it. My daughter's gonna help me, so if she shovel around or like shake around my phone, I do apologize for that. I'm gonna pause it so we can start it.
No, but really, look how good I have these.
Okay, she's talking over me. Here is the drawer looks right now. Okay, hope you can see it nicely. And she's going to help me with these things, like the bins I use. Let's put it here so I can show you. These are the one I use. They are $1 each essentials. They're a clear essentials product. So what I'm going to do, they were pretty organized before this girl messed it up. So here are the labels. Their labels are from Jart, and they're from Dollar Tree too. So I'm gonna, mostly I don't put labels on a clear bins, but you know, they get everything out of my like this box. I forget what was in there, so this is just for myself. I'm going to, and this is the lining we used last time, and I'm going to use the same lining this time too. So she's just going to help me. We're going to get everything out. We're gonna pause it so we can get everything out, and then we will be back. Okay. Okay, so here is the drawer. Looks like now, since I emptied it everything out and put this nice adhesive paper in there just to make it pretty, and then I'm holding a phone with one hand. Then my daughter became a slacker and she left. And then we're gonna start placing these these boxes in there. They're like slurring. Right now it's everything is a mess. You see, so I mean I'll start to figure out what, and whatever I do not want, I am decluttering it, putting it away. As everything, I put it on the floor right now. So whatever is not needed, it's going away. Rest the kids stuff was inside of my drawers, their pins, etc. So I'm getting rid of those as well. Whatever I don't need in my drawers, and whatever I don't need, I toss it, or I'm going to donate it. So just stick with me, we're gonna finish it together. Okay, so here I'm pretty much all done. I showed you guys that I did I cleaned it, and then I put this lining on. So here's what I did. I put I used these bins, which I have shown you. They're from Dollar Tree Essentials brand, and all I did, I put nail paints, all nail paints in there. I don't use nail paints, so my girls do. So there you go. And then these are the blush, because this little labels will just help me if everything will be out of there. I'll put them back. And here is the nail, and then foundation goes, all the foundation goes here. Some days I wanted to do makeup, so here we are. And then eyes goes there. I just mislabels it, all those little eyeshadows. And I betcha the girls would use more than I ever will. And then I managed to do a little bins for these girls. This is the oldest one, Z1. Whatever extra lipstick, etc., I don't need it. She's using it. And here is another one. They do like a ghost makeup or something for the play dates, etc., when they play dress up. So what else? So here all these removers, all the lashes, nail clippers. This bin is little my regular bin. I use this whenever the sun is out there. Some days I use it when I like to put makeup on. Normally when I go to work, I don't. I just put any hydrating cream on and good to go. All these brushes are here. Most of my makeup was really old because I quit putting makeup on. So I just got rid of a lot of them and just left whatever I needed it. So this bin I bought from Goodwill. All my lipstick goes there, and I am a brown lipstick type of girl. It will be brownish or dark brownish or maroonish type, those kind of lipstick I do. Barely I do use pink, maybe because of my brown complexion. It's not a complex, but I just like it. So these are the wipes, and here's a little your eye applicators, makeup setter, brush. I think this is the got from, I believe it was from Walmart. Normally I don't buy makeup from Walmart. The one cologne I use is Chalice, and every time I put that on, every single person asks me where I get that. It is such a fascinating smell. And then here these are my brush cleaner from Clinique. How do you say it? And here we still have a room in this drawer, and before you could not see anything else. Now everything is labeled, everything else is there, and you can easily see what I have going on. Anything I needed, all I have to do, get the container out. you know, I don't have to like just get the container out. So anything like nail remover, get the nail remover, get the container out. I'm actually gonna switch this one because these these four I'm barely gonna use it, and this is which I am going to use it, so I can open it, get the container out, or mostly I will use the lipstick. But you saw how big the difference is. It's really a huge difference in before and after. So we spent 10 minutes 32 or 34 seconds, or a bit. I paused it, so maybe a little more than that, because I did not want it you guys to get bored. So what I did, I put everything in piles and organized them, put the labels, the Dollar Tree labels jot, and yeah, all this is ready to go. See, it does look nice. I can recognize where my stuff is, and out of that all I would use this bin. Yep. Normally I don't use tons of makeup. Yes, I'm doing my YouTube videos, I might put some, but otherwise in the routine, no. So here, but I am a lipstick girl. Hope you like it. Your homework is that tackle the one more drawer in your bathroom, in your closet, in wherever you wanted to do that, but just do it.